Hi, today is Ram Navami, the date on which great Lord Rama was born. Now, since childhood, we are listening to the stories of Lord Ram's life, and we have been told by our grandparents and parents to build our character. But today, I want to tell you what principles, management principles, which Lord Rama demonstrated in his life, which we can use in our professional life. First and foremost principle Lord Rama demonstrated is respect or adherence to rules and the commitment. When Lord Dashrath, his father, had committed to his stepmother that he will go in exile, Ram decided to go on 14 years exile. When he was very young, newly married, and Dashrath had already offered him the kingdom, the entire Ayodhya's people wanted him to become a king. His brothers wanted him to be a king. Everybody was of the opinion that he should be king. He's the right choice. But just to follow the rule and the commitment, he went 14 years exile. It was not easy, but he did that. Second principle is respecting woman. Ram is known as Ekapatni Vrat. The times when marrying many women was a norm. That time Ram decided that he will marry only to one woman and he will follow that principle, which is followed by his brothers also. So he actually made a historical thing. It's a milestone in history that he changed that we should marry only to one girl. I think Ram respected women so much. I think we can follow that same principle, respecting women in our professional life. Third principle is humble and humanity. When Shabri offered him partially eaten fruits, he understood that why she is offering such fruits, because she wanted to offer only sweet fruits to him. That understanding, that humbleness, that humanity he showed, which probably we need to show it to all sections of society in our professional life. And fourth and most important thing, friends, is Ram was a god. He would have done many miracles in his life, but he lived like a common man. Imagine his wife was kidnapped by Ravan. He could have just flew there and just rescued her. It was not impossible. He was a god. But he lived like a common man. He built his own army. He could have asked help from other kingdoms and they would have happily given him. But he built up his own army. That's the management principle he showed, that you need to create your own resources. He never showed that he was a god. He showed that he was a common man, but he can do impossible things. I think we can learn these things from Lord Ram. He never showed he was a god. He lived life a common man. And a leader has to do that, show that, what we call down to earth. There is no other great example than Lord Ram, who was down to earth. There are many things which we can learn from Lord Ram's life, but I just want to tell you these 4 or 5 things. Adherence of rules, respecting woman, humble and humanity, and down to earth. That's all, my friends, on this great day of Ram Navami. Let's pray Lord Ram and follow his management principles. Thank you.